So next one is example 1.9. So here in our question is a physical quantity x is given by x equal to a squared b cube divided by c into root d. So if the percentage error of measurement in A, B, C and D are 4%, 2%, 3% and 1% respectively, then calculate the percentage error in the calculation of x. First, what is given here? So here given is x equal to, what is x? So x equal to a square b cube divided by c into root d. So here power having, so here we have to use the formula for error in the power of this quantity. So the general expression is del z equal to del z divided by z is equal to n into del a divided by a plus n into del b divided by b plus and so on. So this is general expression for this power, this quantity. So now this equation applied in this equation. So here instead of del z divided by z I am using x. So here del x divided by x equal to, so here this is first quantity, this is second quantity, so here n is nothing but power, number of power. Okay, so here n, so n is here 2. The first quantity is what? Del a. So del a divided by a plus second quantity, the power is 3, that means n is 3. Okay, next here quantity is del b divided by b. Next third quantity what? C power is 1, so n value is 1, so no need to write here. So the quantity is del c divided by c. Okay, next one is, so here fourth quantity, so here fourth quantity is d. So here the power is root d equal to, this is written like this, t power 1 by 2. So root t equal to t power 1 by 2, isn't it? So here power is 1 by 2. So here power is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, the quantity is del d divided by d. Okay, next, this is the error formulas. Okay, now in our question is percentage error. Okay, percentage means we will put 100 in each quantities in both sides. So we will multiply it here. So the percentage error is percentage error. So we have to multiply 100 in both sides. So del x divided by x into 100 equal to 2 into del a divided by a into 100 plus 3 into del b divided by b into 100 plus del c divided by c into 100 plus 1 by 2 del d divided by d into 100. So here according to this problem, the error are given in percentage. The error are given in the percentage. So here the del a divided by a into 100, the value is 4%, and then del b divided by b into 100, the value is 2%. So here update here, so 2 into del a divided by a into 100 is 4%, isn't it? So into 4% plus 3 into Del B divided by B into 100 is a 2 percentage. So here into 2 percentage plus del C divided by C into 100 is a 3 percentage plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So here del D divided by D into 100 is a 1 percentage. So here into 1 percentage. So here 4 twos are 8 percentage plus 3 twos are 6 percentage, then 3 percentage. So here 0.5 into 1 percentage, 0.5 percentage. So if you add this all percentage, we'll get the value is, so 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 0.5, 17.5 percentage. So that is del x divided by x into 100. That means the percentage error in x is, the percentage error in x is equal to 17.5 percentage. Thank you. Next, the example is 1.10. Okay, the question is, state the number of significant figure in the following. So here first one is 600800. So now you have to finding the significant figure, you should follow certain rule. So here the rules is, here this number is without a decimal point, the last zeros are non-significant. Then what about this 0? So the rules say all 0 between the non-zero digit are significant. So here how many significant figure is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 significant figure. So next one is 400. Similarly, here without a decimal point, the last zeros are non-significant. So here how many significant figure is there? 1. Okay. Next one is 0.007. So this is the number is less than 1. Then the zeros on the right of the decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digits are non-significant. So here how many significant figure is there? 1. Next one is 5213.0. So this is the decimal number. So in this, all 0 to the right of the decimal point is significant. So here how many significant figure is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5. Okay, next one is 2.65 into 10 power 24 meter. So here the power of 10 is irrelevant to the determination of significant figure. So here only taken the decimal number. So here how many significant figure is there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one is 0.0006032. So this number is less than 1. Number is less than 1. So here the 0 right of the decimal point, but the left of the first non-zero digits are non-significant. So here how many significant figure is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4. Thank you. Next one is example 1.11. So our question is, round off the following number as indicated. So first one is 18.35 up to 3 digit. So now here we have to use the rule for rounding off. So here 4 digits you are having. Now I want to up to 3 digit only. So here 3 digit only. So here drop the last digit. So here last digit is 5. Or 5 followed by 0. Then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. So here 3 is odd number, so it can be raised by 1. So that is, it can be write this 18.4. So next one is 19.45 up to 3 digit. So here also we drop 5. So here we have to use the rule. So if the digit is dropped 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit not change if it is even. So here the number is, the preceding number is 4, 4 is even, so no need of change it. So you can write it 19.4. Okay. Next one is 101.55 into 10 power 6 up to 4 digit. So here if the digit is dropped 5, so you need 4 digit, here 5 digit you are having. So here if the digit is dropped 5, the last digit dropped 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit raised by 1 if it is odd. So here 5 is odd number, so you can write it 101.6. Okay. Next one is 248,337 up to digit 3 digit. So here this is the whole number. So here up to 3 digit, you can write for remaining digit or 0. So here 2, 4, 8, the remaining digits are 0. That's it. Next one is 12.653 up to 3 digit. So here you have to use the rule. If the digit is dropped 5 or 5 followed by digit other than 0. So here 5 followed by 3 other than 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. So we can write 12.7. That's all.